Okay.
Were you?
Yeah, I'm doing right now.
You're videotaping your shoulder.
Dude, shut
That's not me. That's the window.
Dude, you shut up.
You have an apple that has a bite taken out of it on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I don't feel my body?
Yeah, it's okay, man.
Am I yelling?
No, you're fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
These taste like fruit.
That's probably not okay.
No.
Oh, that's so weird, bro. I haven't
Dude.
noticed this.
Why am I in a
Oh.
spaceship? I'm in a spaceship.
Oh, you are?
I'm in a spaceship.
Really?
Don't take my alien food!
Dude, I need this.
My alien food.
You're good.
No, that's my alien food. I need my alien food.
11 chips per container. Wow.
I'm gonna die if I don't get my alien food. Can I have my alien food back? Please? I need my alien food.
Dude, you're fine.
I'm gonna cry. I need my alien food to live.
Hold on.
I need my alien food to live.
What the? Dude, they burnt a hole through the bag of chips while they were drunk. Oh, wow. Dude, calm down.
Why do I feel like I am anally probed?
Dude, just calm down.
I need my alien food. I'm gonna die, dude. I found more alien food. You okay?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure? You seem like you're freaking out.
No, I'm good.
Are you okay, Mr. Alien?
Okay.
I can't open this. Why does it have Korean words on it?
Dude, just open it.
It has Korean words on it.
You can open it.
I can't read it. What's it say? Mr. Korean Alien?
It says, please eat me, please.
Well, they fell.
Pick it up.
I'm gonna eat them anyway.
Good. Because it says if it falls on the floor, eat it.
Whoa! You know how to speak alien?
Yeah, dude.
Did you like masturbate in college?
Yep. Already graduated.
Whoa!
Yep. I know.
What planet are we on?
I forgot.
Are we on Barsoon?
Next one.
I don't know. What? Cause I only know Josoon and Barsoon.
No, yeah, we're on Jocelyn.
We're on Josoon?
Yeah.
Oh man, I want to be on Barsoon. Can we go to Barsoon?
Later.
No, I want to go to Barsoon now.
Well, for what?
Because Barsoon is so cool. People from Josoon can jump really high, and they have superpowers. Can I go to Barsoon?
Sure.
Okay. Tell me when we're on Barsoon.
How are your fingers?
What?
How are your fingers?
What fingers?
Your fingers.
I don't have fingers.
Okay.
Tell me when we're on Barsoon.
Okay.
Because I can feel like we're traveling in space right now.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's true.
Why is there an apple with your phone on it?
Huh?
Your apple has a phone on it.
Oh, yeah. It got made, it was a hybrid.
It's not recording.
It's a hybrid.
It's not recording.
Huh?
Are we on Barsoon yet?
Yep.
We are?
We've been here for the past hour.
Nah.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yep.
Did we give that guy beer?
Yep.
Okay.
Exact place.
What?
Exact place.
Check, please.
Yep.
It's in your pants.
Alright, good to know.
Why are you videotaping a flag?
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Your phone is like pink.
I know. I changed
Read that to me. I can't read that.
Okay.
I have to sign it right there.
Campground visitors
What's that mean?
Must park outside of camp area and leave by 10:30 p.m.
What's that mean?
I mean, Barsoon visitors
Whoa.
must park outside.
One bar soon.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty sick.
Hey.
Yeah. Dude.
Ooh! Alien doggy!
What?
Oh, it's so heavy because we're on Barsoon.
What's that?
Your penis. Ooh, dolly. Is there another dolly? Ooh, there's another dolly. Look, Barsoon dolls.
Really?
Hello, my name is Tiffany. My name is Bethany. That is so cool to have as an enemy. Can I give you a hug? Yes, you can. Okay. Oh, we're hugging. Yay. That's so cool, because we both have stuff in our hair. And we're both smiling. You have a mole, but I don't. That's okay. Let's hug again. Yay! That's so cool. We're both wearing dresses.
Yo,
We're both happy.
I think they want to go.
Wow!
Hey, dude, they said they need to go.
Where?
Oh no, we don't want to go.
Yeah, I got they got the meeting.
Okay. Give us a kiss. Give Bethany a kiss.
Kiss off!
Yeah.
Okay, that's Bethany. Give Tiffany a kiss.
Okay.
Bethany, Tiffany, give each other a hug and a kiss around.
Yeah.
Ooh, they made a baby. And it's a mermaid
These
baby.
chips suck.
Mermaid baby. Your name is Quad Mythology. We got Quad. No, your name's Sea Star. Sea Star, you're dead. Oh, they had another baby. And it's called Stripes. Stripes, you're so cool. 'Cause you're cool. But Mom, I don't want to go to school.
Stripes, you need to go to school.
You know what? No, I'm not your real child anymore.
You are my real child.
No,
Dude, I think they can't go.
I
Yeah.
love you, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
I
won't.
love you too, son.
It won't work, dude.
Stripes, no. Okay, your mother.
Ugh.
Stripes, sorry, you killed your mom.
I love you, Dad. But I'm gonna kill you too. Oh.